We're going to explain how to hide columns in Excel using VBA. This is a useful skill for cleaning up spreadsheets and presenting data more effectively. There are several ways to accomplish this, and we'll cover the most common and versatile methods. Hiding a single column. The simplest approach is hiding a single column. Let's say you want to hide column C. You would use this VBA code, columns C, entire column, hidden equal true. This line of code targets column C using its letter designation, selects the entire column using put entire column, and then sets the hidden property to true, thus concealing the column. To unhide it, simply change true to false. 2. Hiding multiple columns by number. If you need to hide a range of columns specified by their column numbers, e.g. columns 3 to 5, you can use a loop. For example, this code hides columns 3 through 5. VBA for I equal 3 to 5 columns. Entire column, hidden equals to true. Next, I. This loop iterates through the specified column numbers, and for each iteration, it sets the hidden property to true. Again, changing true to false in the loop will unhide these columns. 3. Hiding multiple columns by name. Sometimes it's easier to work with column names. Let's say you want to hide columns named quantity and price. First, you need to find the column index for each column name. We can use the find method for this. The code would look like this. A VBA dim call qti as range, call price as range, set call qti equals columns, find what? Quantity, look in, Excel values, look, at, Excel whole. Set call price as range equals columns. Find what? Price, look in, Excel values, look, at, Excel whole. If not call qti is nothing, then call qt entire column. Hidden equals true. If not call price is nothing, then call price. Entire column. Hidden equal to true. This code first declares two range variables, call qti and call price. Then it uses the find method to locate columns with headers quantity and price, respectively. The if not is nothing checks ensure the code handles cases where the column headers aren't found, preventing errors. If the column is found, its entire column, hidden property, is set to true. 4. Hiding columns. Based on a condition, you can make hiding columns conditional. For example, let's hide any column where the cell in the first row is empty. This requires looping through all columns. VBA for each call in active sheet. Columns, if as empty, colon cells 1, 1, then colon entire column, hidden equals on true end, if next call. This code iterates through each column in the active worksheet. For each column, it checks if the first cell, row 1, any column, is empty using isEmpty. If it's empty, the entire column is hidden. Remember to always save your VBA code to a module in your Excel workbook. Understanding these methods gives you great flexibility in controlling the visibility of your Excel data using VBA. You can adapt these examples to suit your specific needs and create more complex column